guys, it is Sunday Fun Day. So I didn't get the 55 Chevy in here. I know that we got two project cars of mine on the go at once, the 55 Gasser and my chopped shoebox. But what happened was we got a little behind here with the frame for the Suburban. And the Suburban was supposed to be on the frame rolling this week and out of the way. Then this car could have went over there, which would have allowed me to bring my 55 Gasser and work on it for the weekend, then take it out again. But couldn't do that. So that's okay though. That's why it's nice to have two projects. It just means today's going to be a very short, boring video. Unless you want to listen to me talk all day, and I know you don't want to hear that. But I could rant. But we won't go there. I won't get into ranting. I could rant about lots of things. But we just won't go there. So, what we're going to do, I think we'll pull the rear bumper off this car. Lord knows that'll take a half hour because the bolts are probably seized on there and covered in 10 tons of Saskatchewan undercoating. We'll get the bumper off and maybe we'll start grinding away here and cleaning this up and seeing exactly what we got for rust repair needed in there. Now, I did order the patch panel that goes in the floorboard for across the trunk. I've ordered that. And, yeah. So that's about... You know, we'll see where we can go. I mean, I can do lots of things. I can get in there and wire wheel and sand the upper roof inside, which I could do, but, I mean, that's not a video for you guys to watch, but who knows? It is what it is. At the end of the day, even if this is a boring video, I want to thank all you guys for watching, subscribing, and that's it. Hopefully you saw yesterday's video, Saturday. I was out there washing old Carried Away, had her fired up. Usually try and start her up every 3 months, try and give her a run, fire her up. Not the best for her to be sitting around like that, but at least I do get her started. I get her under, I keep her under shelter. I keep her washed. I keep her cleaned. I check her out, roll her around a little bit. So that's the main thing. The main thing is she's safe, she's sound, she's dry, she's happy. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I'm going to grab some tools, put the camera down, and see exactly what the hell I need under here. One bumper off. Tried to unbolt it first, as you can see. Got the thing, got the wrenches, but that wasn't happening. Had to bring out trusty old grinder. Sometimes they just don't come off. Could have sat there and heated it up, honestly. You could have sat there and heated it up with the old torch and got them off that way. But I am doing a complete restoration on this car. I'm not too worried. I would never use these old bolts anyway, so screw it. Now, some people are very fussy. They want to keep the old bolts. I've got customers like that, and that's when we heat them, we torch them, we soak them in WD or whatever we got, and we take them off. But I'm not that guy for my own personal car. It's 4 bolts. I don't care if they're not original. So now we're going to get this back splash apron off. How these come off, if anyone is uncertain how they come off, they're just sheet metal screws that are up underneath here. And just get in there and take them off and away you go. So let's get on that. All right. Okay, one rear splash apron off. And again, the splash aprons come apart too, these corner pieces down in there. They see the line? If you can see that line there, let me zoom in a bit. There you go. They separate. But I'm sure any of you watching this right now, this video, are building one of these cars or have had some, so you already know that. But anyway, so yeah, I think we'll start grinding away on the back here and seeing what we find. Like I say, it's going to be a short video, guys. I doubt I'm going to get any welding done today. But something is always better than nothing. Remember that. All right. There we go. So, obviously, like we expected, you're gonna, yeah, it's all rotten. I can take a hammer here right now and I can show you that'll just knock right through. So I'm grinding up. How is grind up higher? You want to keep grinding up. You don't want to just, some people will come along and they'll draw a line here and that's where they're gonna cut, just above the rust. I would sooner go up here. You know what I mean? I'm even gonna grind a little further here along. Probably grind at least, I mean, I'm gonna take this car eventually to bare metal anyway. But I'll probably go up to there, and I'm going to do my line, probably, honestly, I'm going to try and keep my line even with this line. Probably going to come in there, which is that far away from the rust. Alright, I never grind, I never will cut it there. But anyway, it's all gone there. This one's actually a little higher up, so we'll have to do the same there. So I'll do a little more grinding here, and then maybe get in there and do some cutting.
Dog in the window. Oh, I put the wagon's hay. How much?
Never work the grinder in one spot too long. You heat up the metal, distort it. When you're grinding down the well. Grinding down anything about with that. Grab a different grinder here. Let's see where we can go from there. Alright, so basically what you see on this side, the passenger side, is, well, here, I'll show you a good example. Basically what you see there was over here, and she's gone. There you go. Nice and smooth. No highs, no lows. Like I was saying when I was grinding there, Grinding is much like welding. Welding, you're going to spot all over till you finish it up. Grinding, you're kind of want to do the same. Because if you just sit here and constantly grind in one spot, you're just heating that metal up. Don't want to do that. Here, there, everywhere. Going to get there no matter what. So, let's cut this side out and see what the hell goes on. Why not? We still got some time in the day. Cutting away, folks. Alright guys, so what did we do today? We took a bumper off, took a splash apron off, cut out the rust on either corner, and dealt with that. Now this piece, this pan here, I've ordered. Like I said, I've ordered the inner trunk pan that goes in so far. So I'm waiting on that. So I don't like to cut anything apart till I actually get the parts and pieces. So I'm going to clean up a bit. Because it is a beautiful sunny day. Let me show you what's going on out here in the whack. I know yesterday was Saturday, and if you guys watched, I was out washing all the cars. But today, it is a lovely day. Look at that sun as soon as you walk out. Look at the blue skies. Look at this. Just absolutely gorgeous. Last little bit of snow melting away there. Beautiful mountains. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually gonna go inside. It's a little early. It's around 3:30. I'm gonna have myself a rinse, clean myself up, grab my lady, and we are gonna go for a little cruise. We decided we're gonna go for a little cruise, and we're gonna wind up for a nice dinner together somewhere. That's our plan. I don't know whether dinner will be a pizza at one of our pizza places in town, or maybe it'll be a pub, maybe it'll be a nice restaurant. I don't know, but that's our plan for today. Sometimes you just got to stop ahead and do that. Basically because Saturday's usually my wife's day, but yesterday she wanted to stay home and do her own thing, so I kind of haven't seen her. Just seen her last night, and you know, seen her there today and a little bit, and she's playing around in her vintage store. But I think I need a cruise. I need a cruise. So hey, if you guys are out there and it's sunny right now, go jump in your car, even if it's your daily drive or it's not old. Go for a cruise and crank up the oldies. It's always a good time old time. I will catch you next time.